I welcome you all. In the previous class, I have explained a lot about the different types of industrial dryers and then we have discussed deep about trade dryer. In this class, we are going to discuss about a drum dryer. Drum dryer is also a very important dryer, particularly in the case of chemical processing industries. Drum dryer. Here, the rotating drum is the main component of the drum dryer. In the drum dryers, a liquid containing dissolved solids or slurry carrying suspended solids forms a thin layer of the outside surface of a large rotating drum. For a single drum, unit thickness of the film can be controlled by an adjustable scraping blade. In the case of double drum, unit thickness can be controlled by the gap between the drums. This only differentiate a single drum dryer and the double drum dryer. Again, I am telling you the phenomena behind the single drum dryer and the double drum dryer. For a single drum dryer, unit thickness of the film can be controlled by an adjustable scraping blade. In the case of double drum dryer, unit thickness can be controlled by the gap between the drums. A gas, normally air, may be blown over the surface. This is a material used for the heating, that is hot air, for rapid removal of moisture. The rotation of the drum adjusted so that all of the liquid is fully vaporized and a dried deposit can be scraped off with the help of a flexible or adjustable knife. This is a component used for removal of these dried materials. This type of dryer mainly handles the materials that are too thick for a spray dryer and too thin for a rotary dryer. This is a unit operation of this drum dryer when compared to the spray dryer or a rotary dryer. The solid collects of an apron in front of the knife and rolls to a container or to a screw conveyor. This carries the dried material out. Again, I am repeating you that the solids collects on an apron in front of the knife and rolls to a container or to a screw conveyor. The operation of the drum dryer is continuous, so that we can able to feed a huge amount of the feed and we can collect the dried product continuously. The drum is rotated continuously by a gear driven by a pinion that receives its motion through a belt or a chain or a reduction gear from. The speed of the drum may be regulated by a variable speed drive to adapt the speed to any slight variation in the speed quality. The speed of the drum regulated depending upon the nature of the material. Here I am mentioning the material is wet or dry. If the product material is wet or dry, a quiet distance between the knife is reached. The speed should be decreased or increased. The design of the components is similar to that of the drum filter. The knife may be held just against the surface. It may be brought closer by turning the adjusting wheels. The knife supports may be turned through part of a circle so that the angle of the blade of the knife relative to the drum surface may be selected for the greatest sharing effect. In recent years, double drum dryers have replaced single drum dryer in several applications due to their more efficient operation and their wide range of products and high production rates handling property. Because of that property, we can able to handle a huge amount of the feed to be dried and we can able to collect the dried product continuously. This is very unique application. This is all about the drum dryer. Thank you. Thank you once again.